One of Singapore's oldest industrial estates is getting a makeover, which will help the manufacturing sector keep up with the times. Details of a master plan for Sungei Kadut were revealed. It covers a large area, bigger than 700 football fields, in fact.
New master plan by GTC. It could look like this in the next 30 years. The plan for the Sungei Kadut Eco District is to transform these existing industries and make way for new growth areas in agricultural and environmental technology. In northern Singapore will span 500 hectares or around 700 football fields. It will have 4 zones, including an Agri-Food Innovation Park or AFIP. Up north, the highlight is Singapore's first multi-storey recycling facility, Kranji Green, to be completed next year. Timber and construction industries will be clustered nearby to make the most use out of materials and waste produced. Nearby, the 18-hectare AFIP will house R&D activities and high-tech farms like indoor farming and aquaculture hatcheries. It will open in stages from next year. It will be a step closer to Singapore's goals of producing 30% of its food by 2030 and becoming a zero-waste nation. Meanwhile, the central zone will be a hub for light industries like furniture manufacturing, with an MRT station there by mid-2030. There'll also be dining, leisure and recreational facilities and residences along the waterfront. Down south, it's a mixed-use district with co-living and co-working spaces, as well as park connectors and biodiversity trails.
About 50 companies have confirmed they'll move into the area, or they have expressed interest. They expect to benefit from economies of scale and, of course, lower business costs.
For Melissa Tan, Sungei Kadut is a second home. Her family's recycling and waste management firm has been here for 4 decades. But she'll be bidding farewell to this plot of land when the company moves into the 6-story recycling facility, Kranji Green, in about 2 years. While moving out is bittersweet, she says there'll be huge benefits from being close to other recycling companies.
I'm a multi-material recycling company where I will have all sorts of plastic recyclable materials, where after it's being sorted or basic treatment has been done, I can then forward my materials to the tenants that's around the building, whether it's upstairs or downstairs. That will save a lot of my time and a lot of my costs.
She adds that sharing common facilities with others, such as meeting rooms and weighing equipment, may also help cut costs. Ms. Tan's firm is one of about 50 others that plan to or have booked a place in the estate's 3 specialized industry spaces so far. The other spaces are for furniture, timber, metal and machinery industries. The eco-district's large agri-tech cluster is welcome news for one company, which says banding together will help scale up the now fragmented sector.
In terms of distribution of produce, certain outlets they are actually smaller because the consumption is not as high. So it's actually quite challenging for us to send a temperature control truck to deliver a small batch of chilled fresh produce over to their store. So by working with other distribution partners like food service companies, you can actually consolidate into a basket of goods.